Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Discord on your phone and signing in. Once done, navigate to the server where the bot lives. Make sure the bot has the right role and permissions so commands will work. Tap the text channel that allows bot interactions because some channels disable bots. Now place your cursor in the message box and prepare to type. This step matters because if permissions or channel restrictions block the bot, nothing you type will trigger a response. You type the command using the server's prefix or / commands. If it's a / command, Discord will offer autocomplete. Accept it to fill syntax. Include required arguments exactly as instructed and add optional flags only if needed. If a command needs a mention or ID, paste it directly. Once done, press send. Making sure spacing and punctuation match prevents errors. When a command runs, watch for bot responses and follow prompts for multi-step commands. After sending a command, you check the bot's reply to confirm success or see an error message. If it fails, first retry with precise syntax and correct arguments. If that still fails, verify the bot's role and channel permissions. Once you've done that, consult the bot's help command or ask server moderators for logs. One key troubleshooting tip: if the bot returns a permission error, granting the correct role or moving the command to another channel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.